Hey there, Leslie here. Well, today's question is one that I want you to realize. It's how does the paralegal role affect the success of the workplace? Why are we important as paralegals or legal secretaries to that workplace? And do attorneys realize it? Not always, but we have to realize it, okay? And let's go through these. The duties. I want you to get the Paralegal Playbook totally free. Go to paralegalcoffeetalk.com, look under the Paralegal Resource Hub, get the playbook. Yes, you have to sign up for it. It's no charge. And download that today. And I want you to go to the page. In the middle of the page, you'll see paralegal duties. I want you to research those duties of different areas of law and what paralegals do, and I want you to understand how to perform some of those duties. Now, understanding all that, well, that's what we do. Those duties are what we do as paralegals every day. So I want you to become very familiar with some of those. Number 2 is caring about the job. We have to care enough to put in 110% and we aim for perfection. We don't always achieve it, but we aim for it, okay? Care about the clients. Kindness and warmth toward the client is number 3. So we do not give legal advice. We don't have a law license. But how we project kindness and warmth goes so far, and being an advocate for the client when they need an answer from the attorney, and you're going to go after that answer for them. Next to last is being highly organized on the job, okay, and making sure those tasks get done and that they're prioritized, and you communicate with your attorney regarding which tasks have to get done first. And the last one is you can be very valuable in protecting the attorney's law license. How? You don't let details fall through the cracks. If that happens, the attorney can get into trouble with the court, with the judge, and you are responsible for monitoring all those deadlines. And so your successful monitoring and achievement of your duties and all of the details will make that attorney much more successful, and the court will not come down on the attorney because everything is working like clockwork. So remember, you are valuable. Don't forget to look around the paralegalcoffeetalk.com website. It's for beginners. Check out everything there under courses and have fun.